Mental Gen. It's me, your friendly neighborhood full stack developer, DivenDerp. Alright, so one of my org mates commissioned me to build them an AR, or augmented reality, quote unquote, mining unit manager. And they gave me permission to just freely distribute it. So this is a free script that you can get from my GitHub, or get the code from me personally, however you want. Right now, it's just a board script. There is more stuff for it coming. It's turned to a rather larger project. There's a screen part coming, as well as some other UI stuff. For now, I got to a good place to cut a version 1, so this is going to be a demo of version 1. And let's get started. Alright, so I have hooked up to this board. Boop. Boop. Bunch of mining units, as one would. Alright, activate the board. First thing you'll notice, a little caution sign. The caution sign tells you that something is amiss. There's 3 warning levels. There's nominal, which just means everything's operating as it should be. Caution, which usually means that something needs calibrated. And warning, which is red, and basically it means something major is wrong. Output container's full, a machine has stopped, you know, something's jammed, that kind of deal. Alright, so there's that. The second one, as you'll notice, each one has like a little floating ore on it. Boop, boop, boop. Yep, there's ore. Up here, you got these little stickers, and this is just level 1. So you got the stickers. The sticker number indicates the number of full days since the last calibration. So it's been 2+ days there, 5+ there, 2+ there. The arrow indicates that the mining unit needs to be calibrated. So that basically what that means is that its current calibration level is below what is the optimal level. So the arrow means it needs to be calibrated. Alright, so now if we turn on the actual AR part of this, boop, you get these little stickers. Now, both the stickers and the little, sorry, to call these stickers, these are data widgets, little data widgets. Where they spawn at, adjacent to their respective mining unit, can be controlled via the Lua parameters. It's a little XYZ, so you can give it like a little distance for however you want your widgets to attach to your mining unit. Everyone does it a little bit differently. Alright, but let's work down the data widgets. Alright, so tab here. So this guy here, its calibration is at 37%. Its optimal is 12%. It was last calibrated 2 days, 21 hours, and 59 minutes ago. This little bar here indicates the time till the next pull. So it's about halfway through a pull cycle. It is a T1 ore. The ore is coal, and it currently pulls 17 liters an hour when it does its normal pooling. Pulling. Right now it's green, which basically means this particular unit is running nominally. You've also got the yellow sticker and the red sticker indicating different issues and problems. So for instance, yeah, this guy right here, its calibration is at 86, but its optimal calibration is 95. So it's got the little yellow warning. Same with this guy here, which is why it's throwing up a little yellow warning up here. Basically, it tells you at a glance that one or more of your machines need attention. This guy's at 100. His calibration is optimal calibration is 95. So you kind of get a breakdown. Again, you also get the ore with it. So you know you get the little coal widget, the little iron, all that jazz. This guy is just below optimal. So if I go to him and we calibrate him, calibrate. I have a kitten attacking me. Move, kitten. You spawn of hell. Start. Let's see here, we'll go through the calibration. Boop. Almost. Nope. Nope. If you can't tell, I don't do this a lot. I'm not particularly great at this. Yep, all the way over there. Should be enough to do what we want. Close that. Close, and yep, 0 since the last 0 days since the last calibration, and it's now 100% calibration. It's over its optimal, so the arrow is gone. So yeah, it's dynamic, it's updating. What else do I need to show you of this guy? So one thing to note is, like, so it's Alt-1 to go through different modes. You can, in the Lua exports, determine which start. So, 0, stickers only, is going to be 1. Or, adding the OR widget is 2. Adding the data widget is 3. If you want to start the data widget, you can just insert 3 into that parameter. So the AR part of this, the little data widgets, they require that I am running the board explicitly. However, if you hook your board up to something like a detection zone, the data widgets will not appear for you, but the stickers, these little, like the arrows and the numbers, they will. So these do not require you to be running the board explicitly. And in most cases, at least according to my org mates who actually do dividing a unit, the two things you care about most is, does the machine be calibrated, and how long has it been since its last calibration. And those are the two things you can get regardless of if you're running the board explicitly or not. But the little data widget here does require that the board is being run explicitly. Alright, so that is the major overview of this. Like I said, there are some more things coming, some more things planned. One is a little more customization for the coloration. One is a little more detailed, so I'm going to add in a different data widget, an option 4, quote unquote, that has more breakdown, has more granular detail, where this one's more of just the highlights. And also the option to hook up a container or multiple containers or hubs up to the board to also kind of like get your ore levels and that kind of jazz. So yeah, that's the script. That's it. When it comes to hooking it up, there's no order. It requires 1 or more mining units and a core unit. Everything else at this particular juncture is optional. There are a few exporting parameters that don't work currently because I have not got around to them, other than just adding the exports. I'm too lazy to remove them for now, but the features they plug in them with are coming. You can find this stuff, like I said, on my GitHub. If you have questions, concerns, comments, or like feature requests, doesn't work for you, have errors, feel free to reach out to me in game or on Discord. All my contact info is in the description of the video. But that's it. Quick and dirty. Alright, I'm out. Have a good one.